Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about experiencing the reveres. In Yoga Nidra, the first experience to be awakened is the feeling of heaviness. Physical heaviness is a whole body sensation which accompanies deep musculoskeletal relaxation. If ingrained stress and contraction stay within the network of postural muscles, then the guideline. Your body feels so heavy that it is sinking into the flooring acts as a command from the brain, motivating them to let go and launch their recurring problem. Just then is the overall weight of the body surrendered completely into the earth, producing the unique experience that the body is actually merging with the surface area on which it is lying. After heightening the sensation of heaviness, it is then superseded by the experience of lightness. Awaken the sensation of lightness and weightlessness in all parts of the body. Your body feels so light. It seems to be drifting away from the flooring. Invoking the opposite feeling is not an approximate choice. However, it remains in accordance with electrophysiological operating principles of the brain. Whenever a nerve cell fires, it transmits an impulse which is relayed and signed up in the brain. However, if the very same cell continues to fire repeatedly for some time, its message is no longer acknowledged by the brain, becoming a consistent electrical background feature of the main nervous system. This phenomenon can be readily shown with the sense of smell. Upon going into a room where incense is burning, you are first very much familiar with its scent. However, after remaining in the space for a while, you develop sensory inattention and no longer notice the formerly subduing smell. Scientists have called this phenomenon habituation, where the brain ends up being accustomed to the stimulus and soon stops to register it as important. Throughout Yoga Nidra, when establishing the sensation of heaviness throughout the body, a volley of specific impulses initially inundates the brain. After some time, the brain starts to neglect these impulses and the connection of awareness with the body is momentarily displaced. The sensation of lightness then arises spontaneously as our awareness wanders free of its physical automobile. The outcome is that, rather than physical sensations infiltrating and shaping our awareness, our consciousness can now identify and direct what experiences will be felt by the body.